right now we're excavating. So this pool is gonna be 12 feet, 40 feet long with a little waterfall there. Tons to fill, so we're trying to clear the land a little bit so we can get, dig a little bit better. So we're doing the pool, deck, yeah, all new fencing, all new landscaping, and then who knows after that. Trailer almost flipped the bobcat. I was backing it up. It started tilting, going like that, and I was like, oh, it's not gonna be good. We made it. Our Fort Lauderdale project. We broke ground yesterday. As you can see, we've gotten some progress done. The boys are working hard. So we ran into a couple different issues. So the first was that we found a large 2-inch PVC pipe that was running through the area of where we were supposed to excavate. We did call 811. That wasn't marked off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to pressure test that pipe to see what it goes to and then adjust from there. Also, if you see behind me, there's 2 trees that are gonna be growing over where the pool is gonna be. Now that can be an issue. All of that organic compounds and foliage can fall into the pool. It can fall onto the deck, creating stains. It can stain the plaster, and it can throw off the water chemistry. All things that we don't want after we just build the pool. So what we can do is we can take out those trees. We can build a row, all new decorative palms that can all be symmetrical to look nice, to make up for the ones that we're gonna take out. We're gonna satisfy the city requirement for their trees, plus we're gonna give the customer privacy, plus the luxury new modern look that he's looking for, all done while we're building the pool.